Hi, I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and I'm a whole food plant-based chef, and I'm gifting you my Whole Foods Beginning ebook for free. Take a look inside of what's in this glory of an ebook for you at home. This is a little taste of what you can do at home with plants, because you can surely nail these dishes just like I have. You don't have to be a chef. In the context of each recipe, there is a video below each recipe. So this is the famous potato bake done without cream and butter and cheese. And there's a little video that you click onto so you can watch me talk to you and just nailing the tips and tricks. Enchiladas, exquisite, I love it. And I love the toppings that go for enchiladas, like the 3 toppings here. Now these 3 toppings are all plant-based, which is super cool. And just keep scrolling down. Spicy eggplant, a lot of people are scared to use eggplant. I've got your back here, gado-gado, amazing. Tasty Indonesian dish, lovely warming spiced chai. That just gives you an idea of how to use whole food and infuse some plant-based milk. A hot cayenne chocolate milk drink, which is really thick and delicious. It's almost like a dessert. Dressings. Dressings are really one of those moments in life when you're transitioning to real food, is using dressings like this just amp up your salads that take it to the next level. I've gotten completely in love with this drink, me and my girlfriend Courtney. You're going to love it as well. You're not going to be able to put this one down. It's just beautiful. Strawberry crush, a lime mint slushy, and a raspberry spritzer, which is my girlfriend Rochelle's favourite drink. She always asks me to make this one. She just loves it. It's just gorgeous. And a beautiful, yummy beetroot chocolate cake that serves you from the inside out. Now, down the bottom of your free ebook, you've got an essential shopping list. Now, this will just give you a guide, as you can see here, of how to store and what to buy whole foods. And what it means is it's building your whole foods pantry, which is super important, because this is what we're designed to eat. We're not designed to diet. We're designed to actually eat whole, real food. The essential shopping list goes on. Then I've got an equipment list that just gives you an idea of the equipment I use in my kitchen to nail these recipes. And then we've got some chef talk, so what does really saute mean, and al dente, and small dice and large dice. So from my kitchen to yours, yeah, this is for you. So download, print it, send me your incredible dishes that you're making. I can't wait to see them. See ya.